Hello guys, may dolphin dito guys na nagpa ano guys. Ito yung greetings namin guys. Nagtatrabaho kami ngayon dito. At titirahin natin yung dolphin at saka shark. Yung kasama ko guys, nangangawil guys. Hanap kami ng barakuda or talakitok or no? Yan guys. Very big dolphin ay shark guys. Ay yung dolphin guys. Yan dolphin guys oh. Naglaro-laro yung dolphin guys. Yan, ang daming dolphin guys. Yan. Welcome guys sa my YouTube channel. Dolphin is coming. Yan guys. Yung dolphin kumakain ng lumot. Amazing. Okay guys, update ko kayo sa aking video ngayon na mamaya guys. Yan, dolphin guys. Okay, hanggang dito muna guys, update ko sa video ko ha. DJ Freeman Vlog, mabuhay, please share and like my Facebook and my YouTube channel, DJ Freeman Vlog. God bless you and more power. Bye bye.